Hi, my name is Arslan. Today I am here to talk to you about how we dispose of our garbage. Landfills versus garbage dumps. And it begins now.
Are you ready? I am.
Like ha 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 ha, ha 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 ha. If you are what you say you are, a superstar, then have no fear. The camera's here and the microphones, and they wanna know.
Garbage disposal is the act of actually getting rid of your garbage.
I'm here to talk to you about garbage disposal. Garbage. Garbage is any waste we throw away, from a small candy wrapper to a big sofa. It is either picked up by the city or thrown away on the streets. But did you ever think what happens to the garbage after we put it on the curb for the truck to pick it up? I didn't think so. It is sent to factories where the garbage is sorted, then compressed to take as little room as possible. Then that compressed garbage is put into trucks, which gets shipped somewhere else to make room for new garbage in the factory. So let's think about it. How much garbage do we throw away? One garbage cart a week times 4 weeks for a month times 12 months for a year equals 48 garbage carts. And the carts don't only contain one garbage bag. They contain from 6 to 8 per week. Multiply that by the number of houses on your street, or even better, multiply that by the number of houses in your city. That's a lot of garbage. So here are two ways to dispose of our garbage. What is a landfill? A landfill is an area in which compacted waste is covered with dirt. The dirt is then covered with another layer of compacted waste, another layer of dirt, another layer of compacted waste, another layer of dirt, which is then usually covered by grass and made into golf courses. What is a garbage dump? A garbage dump is in a place where solid waste is thrown into an area and burned to burn organic content, which is not usually fully burnt. And yes, I do enjoy this chair.
Hello, sunshine. Deadly. Uncool.
In your opinion, what's better, garbage dumps or landfills?
Landfills.
Landfills?
I think they're the same. Garbage dumps.
Garbage dumps. No, why? Landfills. Garbage dumps.
Well, they're both one and the same. It's basically disposing of trash.
Better, garbage dumps or landfills?
They both suck. None of them.
Say landfills. Aren't they the same thing?
I'd say landfills are better.
Very good question, Ursula. Garbage dumps.
Landfills.
Landfills.
They're both bad, but I think landfills are better. Because over the garbage you put land.
Because they can be converted into different types of things, but garbage dumps, they just stay garbage dumps, and sometimes to get rid of the garbage, they have to either transport it to somewhere else, or in some countries they burn it.
No. Oh, because landfills damage the land.
Because after it's filled up, it's turned into a golf course.
Because some of the stuff in landfills can get decomposed, whereas in garbage dumps they just sit there and it's in the open.
Yeah,
So-
because you can actually use it like that.
Okay. Currently, Toronto is shipping its garbage to Michigan in the United States. You know, Toronto shipped 725 tons of garbage to Michigan, not even in our own country, to another country, in Michigan, which can only take another 13 million tons in the next 15 years. And we already use 725,000. Do you know what it costs us to ship our garbage?
Dollar amount?
Yes.
Oh, I have no idea. Millions of dollars, I would think.
Do you know what it costs us?
To get rid of our garbage? In Toronto, I know it's even in the hundreds of millions to get rid of our garbage. I think, I might be lying.
I don't know the exact figure, but I know it's millions of dollars. And not only just the cost of the shipping and the fees that they charge, but also the gasoline diesel consumption of all the trucks on the 401. And from that point, it's also an environmental concern.
It costs us $53 per ton of garbage to ship to Michigan. 53 per ton. Last year, we spent 725,000 tons of garbage to Michigan. Do the math. It's because we use so much garbage that we have to ship it. If we didn't use this much garbage, the government won't have to waste this money on shipping the garbage to another state. If you understand, we're the ones paying for it. By paying taxes, we are paying for the transportation and the fees of the diesel for the trucks and all these costs to ship our garbage to Michigan. So in the end, we're paying for it.